how to turn 3,000 US dollars in $12,467 in 1 week with Clickbank affiliate marketing using TikTok ads. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step behind the curtain how it's done and how you can duplicate and use the same method in 2024 and in 2025 to have much better results with affiliate marketing. So let's go straight into it, okay? So as you can see, we're here in 1 week, right? Now, let's go straight into the Clickbank. I'm going to show you how it works. You see, over here on the left side, we have categories. As you know, you can choose self-help, weight loss, diabetes, teeth whitening, woodworking, any niche you want to be in, right? I would suggest you go with 3 big ones, which is wealth, health, and dating, okay? So you have subcategories over there. Now, our job as an affiliate, as a super affiliate, is to pre-sell products, okay? Pre-sell them, not sell them, okay? The sales job is done on the VSL. Once they come on the Clickbank page and watch VSLs, video sales letters. Our job as an affiliate is to pre-sell. So you can see over here, average commission, $136 per sale, $150 per sale. Now, if you go to other niches, you can earn even more, as you can see over here. Look, let me show you. You can go over here, $105, and then you will also have products where you can earn $500, $700, even $1,000 per sale. All right. I like to stick to low ticket to mid ticket offers with really good upsell take rate, and the reason why is because there is not much time needed to make a buying decision for 27 or 67 US dollars. Okay. So later you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram. You can DM me, follow me, ask me any questions you want regard to affiliate marketing, Clickbank, running ads, paid traffic, okay? So you can let me know over here. Now, let's go to TikTok. You can see over here in the last 7 days, let me go over here, refresh. In the last 7 days, 308,000 views, right? So this is a lot of organic and paid traffic together. Now let's go last 28 days, 1.1 million video views. Now imagine, let's go over here on Clickbank, and let's say, let's go over different categories we have here. Let's say top offers. Let's say you're earning $142 per sale, right? $142 per sale. Do you think over here, if you go to last 1 week, from 308,000 views, almost 500,000 views, that you can get 1 to 10 sales in 1 day? Do you think it's possible? Of course, right? Especially even though you have less views, but if it's ultra VIP targeted traffic, buyers list, of course, you can make really great results as an affiliate. Okay, and once you have someone who can help you one-on-one and hand-holding you along the way, then, my friend, you will be able to start having really, really great sustainable passive income. I'm talking about not one day you have $300, next day you have $30. No, I'm talking about sustainable income where you have $300 to $600 per day in net profit on Clickbank. Okay? Now, if you're wondering, do you have to show your face, build a personal brand? No, you don't have to do that. You don't have to show your face. You need one-page quiz funnel, which, again, it's functional. Most people fail with Clickbank because they don't understand. Again, it's not your fault. Maybe you bought on the courses and now you're struggling, you're stuck. You don't know what to do or where to look. And I understand how it feels because I used to be there as well a few years ago. Until I found out once that I finally can naturally start having results if I follow someone, work closely together with someone who can show me live how things are done, okay? So that's how it really works. As you can see over here, in the last 60 days, 2.9 million views, 32,000 comments, which is really great because in 2025, you will have to have lots of positive engagement, running engagement ads, even on Facebook, right? Why? Because all social platforms, they like engagement. They want people to stuck on their platform, right? On TikTok or somewhere else. In this case, TikTok, right? So positive comments, engagement is really great because later, like on Facebook, you can go and retarget those people who left positive review. And let me ask you, do you think the person who left positive review and comments is most likely to buy Clickbank product for $50 or $100 next week or 3 days later, right? If you retarget them with Pixel, right? Of course, same thing here, right? So it's all important, all matters. Now again, if you have only 30 minutes per day, 20 to 40 minutes max per day, then this is something that you can do as a beginner. You don't need to have any experience. Again, I'm not selling any course here, because I don't believe in courses, because you have no ultimate advantage, you have no edge, no unfair advantage than anyone else buying the same freaking course, sitting and watching it for 8 weeks, just to find out it's outdated, it doesn't work anymore, right? That's why I prefer something like where you have one-on-one hand-holding over the Zoom call, where you can actually see and get it done together as soon as possible, as fast as possible, okay? So that's what matters if you want to get really great results with affiliate marketing. Now let me go here on this one and show you exactly what matters. This, okay? Attention and intention, you have a buyer. We need buyer's intent. We need message to the market match, okay? Because if you have attention, if you have someone clicking on the landing page like this, yes, it's look a little bit ugly or strange or weird. What we are getting is actually curiosity clicker or non-buyers. Non-buyers clicking on our ads, on our landing page or pre-sale page or blogs or website, right? Now, if you could make money online by yourself, wouldn't you have done it by now, right? You wouldn't be watching this video, but you don't. And again, it's not your fault. And the reason you don't know how to make it is because you tried all things. You tried by different courses, you tried YouTube ads, you tried, I don't know, Facebook ads, you tried Google, you bought some programs and you found out it doesn't work, right? You got stuck because there was always some missing puzzle. There's something like where you don't know what you don't know, right? We learn a deeper psychology of marketing. You can see over here, right? You understand that people don't buy when they're in the problem state, right? They buy when they're in the solution state. So our job as an affiliate is, again, I'm repeating myself, to put someone into the problem state and move them with our ads and copywriting into the solution state where they are ready to buy now. Okay? So we have problem and our audience. You see, competition is very low. It's easy to make sales when you understand that every affiliate is competing for a solution of our audience. You see, competition is very big. Audience size is only 5%. Over here, 70%. Okay? And 10% competition. So very low competition. Because no one exactly knows how to do it strategically and correctly. Functional websites, by functional quiz funnels, I mean having functional questions. Not like, are you male, are you female? Those are just information seeking, gathering questions, and they don't do anything, right? Marketing is nothing else than messaging of emotions, moving person through emotional states into the solution aware state, okay? And once you know how to do this, then you will finally be able to start having results, and you're gonna become professional affiliate marketer, and you'll be able to spend 30 minutes per day managing your ad campaigns, okay? You can see how fast we can make $500 per day in profit. If you have a low ticket product for $100, $100 US, commission percent is 90% on Clickbank, usually 5 sales per day, okay? Or with upsell, even 2 sales a day. You're making $500 every single in each day. Now, what you can do next, as you're watching this video right now, if you want to get the results, if you're really, really serious, if you have minimum $500 US to invest in you, to actually start moving forward, from 500 to 5,000 US to start having really, really great results, I mean like 10 to 20,000 US or more per month with affiliate marketing, with Clickbank, okay? Then you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links are in the description below under this video. You can connect with me, my personal WhatsApp number, email, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram, okay? You can reach me out there after subscribing to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.